guys, today we're going to be checking out the Octane 1, my jump bike. This is the bike check of the Octane 1. So the frame is the 2020 version of the Octane 1 Zircus frame, and it is in black, as you can see. I believe it comes in blue and red, I think, or maybe silver, I'm not sure. So forks, we have some RockShox Rebas. They are 100mm, and I do actually have a bit of an issue with them getting stuck down. They need a bit of a service. We'll go on to the cockpit next. So the bars are some Ragley risers, and they were 800mm, and I've cut them down to about 750 at the moment, and I'm getting narrower and narrower until I find that perfect sweet spot for this jump bike. Attached to that are some Ragley grips and a SRAM level rear brake, just the rear on the left. And the stem is a Sunrise, and it's 50mm in length, and it's nice. So the saddle is I'm probably going to say this wrong, it's a Lapierre or Lapierre, I'm not sure, you can correct me in the comments. And it's actually on a seat post that is already pre-cut, just an unbranded one, and it's nice and short. So the wheels we have on the front is an Alex wheel and an Alex rim, and it was pretty cheap and it's pretty strong so far. On the rear we have a Mavic 321 disc rim built up onto a DMR Revolver hub, quite an old school hub I believe, and both of these are running Continental Race King 2.0's 26-inch tyres. 26-inch tyres? 2-inch tyres on 26-inch wheels. So the drivetrain, what we've got is a race face ride crankset, which is 175mm long, and we've got a 16 tooth on the back and a 34 tooth chainring on the front. I did actually change this. This was a 32 and a 21 I believe, but that was just way too spinny, so 34/16 seems to be working out pretty well for me on this bike. The pedals, this is some cheap blank pedals, and they've already lost all their colour, but for now they'll do and they're alright. So that is a quick look at the Octane 1 Zircus.